Hello, welcome back to another piano tutorial. Today we'll be learning Young and Beautiful by Lana Del Rey. I've been wanting to play this song for a while now. It's probably one of my favorite songs out there. It's a really beautiful ballad. A simple pop song with a couple chords to learn, and they're all repetitive. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to play the intro part for you guys just to see where it's at. You can see how simple it is and how easy it is to learn. So let's get into it. Alright, it doesn't seem too hard. We're going to work on the intro first and then go to the verse and the chorus because they're pretty much all the same anyway. So let's do the intro. Alright, so in the beginning you have this three-note melodic piece. It's C sharp, B, and E repeating over and over again until you hit this A. And it's slower than you think, so it's 1, so 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very slow. Your four chords you're gonna have in the bass are G5, which is just G major without the B, A5, B minor 5, or B, technically B5 I guess, B5, and then D5, which will all be the chords you're gonna use later. So you get this piece, so 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E, 3, 4. Really simple. If you want to, like in the beginning I did. If you want to, you can just do that. It's just going to be the 3 and the 5 of the chords you're playing. So you have just G5. But you have this technically A minor, so you're going to play E, A, and C sharp. And then technically it's B minor, so you're going down to this D and the F sharp. Right? So let's play it slowly. 1, 2. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and. Not too bad. And those four chords you're going to learn in the verse and the chorus right now. Alright, so your four chords you're going to learn are G major, A major, B minor, and like this D major 7. And you'll learn that they're each played with 2 beats. So if you're going to sing this piece and all you got to do is play the chords written, so that's how I'm going to do it. Yeah, so you have this G major chord, which is G, B, and D in both hands. And then you have A major, which is just A, C sharp, and E. And then you have B minor, B, D, and F sharp. And then it's technically a D major chord. I do it as a D major 7. It just gives it more of a deeper sound, in my opinion. So you have D, F sharp, and A in your left hand with C sharp, D, F sharp, and A in your right. And those four chords are going to repeat throughout the entire song. So Lana Del Rey starts singing, and you play this way. You play G major 2, A major 4, B minor 2, D major 7, 4. And you keep on repeating that throughout the entire song until you sing, right? And it's basically the entire verse and the chorus, all 3, all 4. It's pretty simple. Now, if you do want to keep it, it's a pretty simple song anyway, so that's why I try and do extensions. So I play this G, I play an A7 chord. It's A7. Yeah, play this A7, A major 7 A7 chord with a E minor 7 and then D. So yeah, just keep adding extensions if you want to get like a deeper, richer sound. In my opinion, that's probably the best way to do this because this piece is such a sweet ballad. That's for beginners. If you're more of like an expert pianist, if you want to put more depth into this piece, I suggest doing arpeggios. So if you're singing, just like just make it your own, because this piece is so simple that you can do really anything with it. You can play these arpeggios. Anything you want to do. It's really simple, because with simple pop songs, you can really make it as meaningful or as beautiful as you really want to. Especially since it's a ballad, it's really, really sweet and very textureful. Textureful is not a word, but textureful. It's full of that. So do anything you want with it, but those 4 basic chords, the G, the A, the B minor, and the D major 7, are your basic 4 chords for your chorus and your verse. Thanks for watching this video. If you do like the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. I do a bunch of these stuff on my channel, trying to do a little bit more than just piano tutorials, see how that goes. But thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.